Hi, Teach family. Welcome to Mindfulness Mondays with Miss Hurley. Sometimes we have to do things like take tests or do our homework or other things we might find challenging. These challenges can bring up strong emotions. Even as an adult, I feel these tensions myself. Over the break, I took a really important test, and I was very worried about it. I used the technique I'm going to teach you now to help me calm myself down and be able to focus during the test. This mindfulness technique or practice is called RAIN. Take some calming breaths in and out, in and out. Listen to the calming patter of the rain. R stands for recognizing. Recognize how you are feeling. Keep breathing gently and recognize or notice what emotions or feelings you have at this moment. Name them in your mind. Keep breathing in and out. A stands for allowing or accepting the emotions you're feeling. Before I took my test, I was telling myself it was important and I really didn't want to mess it up. I accepted that feeling and allowed myself to feel it. But then I also noticed or recognized I was excited because if I did well on the test, I would be proud of my accomplishments. Allow yourself to feel what you're feeling without judging yourself. Continue to breathe in and out. I stands for investigate. Like a spy, notice what is going on in your body. Scan your body. Do you notice or feel that you feel any tension? Does your back or your neck hurt? Maybe you're leaning funny on one of your legs. Adjust your body and make yourself more comfortable. Release any tension. If you are tired, breathe in deeply and blow out to bring energy to your body. And do it again and out. N, the last letter of RAIN, stands for naturally occurring. Feelings come and go naturally. Worry about a test will only last for a short time, and then we'll move on to another feeling or emotion. Just like the raindrops, there are so many emotions and feelings that we have throughout the day. Sometimes we're happy, and sometimes we feel stress. Allow these feelings to come and go, but make sure not to allow them to prevent us from succeeding in what we want to accomplish. Continue to breathe in and out and listen to the patter of the rain. I wish you the best semester and tons of growth in your academic skills. See you next Monday for Mindfulness Mondays.